Hello friends, my name is Alex from Alicante Real Estate. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and as always I'm very delighted to make this kind of videos and show you the best offers and real estate and help you, our dear clients, to make the right choice, buy, sell, and of course to rent out real estate properties at a beautiful, sunny, this time Costa Cálida place, because we are located in Los Alcázares, that belongs to Murcia, Costa Cálida. And actually now this is a new build project that will have these nice villas. Each villa will have this nice view to the golf club of Serena Golf. As I told, Los Alcázares, where we are located now, all this area now, I see in each part I'm looking this big crans. So all around is a building, and in 2 years you will have a completely new residential area with lot of modern new builds, nice bright streets. So imagine investing here in 2 years, having a property that will increase in value, of course, because the infrastructure will be done in the surroundings. As I heard now from the people that are working here, many new supermarkets, commercial centers will be opened here, of course. That means that also bars, restaurants, infrastructure. If you buy now, in 2 years, you have a ready infrastructure and you have a property that will increase in value of prices. But I'm not doing this video because I'm doing this video because we really like this project. I've seen what this well-known developer offers. And of course, it's amazing to be at the first line and have this beautiful view to the golf club. It has also lakes. You must think that this one is a little bit more down on level. Other villas, we have 10 villas done now and 10 more coming. Only one villa left now from the first 10 villas, and you will have nice views to the lakes and to the golf club. We are 2 kilometers away to the beach from Mar Menor. If you know, it's just like separate sea into the sea. There's no waves there. It's perfect for the children. The water is hotter, a little bit hotter than of rest of the open at sea. So the people, somebody very like it. But we're also 2 kilometers away from old town of Los Alcázares, where you have everything to be here. Also people living here all the year, not only in the summertime. So it makes this place very interesting. So now, friends, let's start with the review. And now I'm staying on the outside of the villa on the main street. Important to say just quick that the same developer, is well-known developer, also offers apartments. They are here on this side, but we'll make a separate video because this project has a lot of things to offer and I think we should split it. So we have 10 villas now. At the moment, one villa left. Price is 650,000 for the villa. And as you see, we have the villas on the same line, and then another 10 villas come on the same street. So now we have 10 done and 10 more coming in the future. The one that is available will be finished at end of the year 2026. And now I will show you. This is the main entrance. This is the entrance for the car, the gate. And please come in, because you will be surprised what this villa offers. So we have small terrace here, windows from the bedrooms. Follow me. Well, I can show you actually the entrance for the car quick. The car goes to a big, huge garage on which you can park up to 3 cars. And yeah, you will see and you will be surprised. Follow me and I will show you now the main entrance. Here's the door. So, but I think let's see first of all the outside. Pool is included. We have a nice medium-sized pool. Also a lot of space here. And please, we have 70 square meters roof terrace that also have a nice open view, and 7 solar panels included in the price. You can also enjoy here, you can enjoy there. Of course, from the roof terrace, you have a nice, amazing view. And friends, I like this part of this villa. Check out these doors. You can completely open and connect your living room with the pool area. And it's like to be at your home but be outside. It's a nice feeling that you can have here. And yeah, and straight from the kitchen go to the pool area. And yeah, so it's like to be outside and inside at the same time. It's a rare sensation. Ground floor has 100 square meter size constructed area, all total 250 constructed area, including the basement. You'll see that we have a big basement here. We have 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. On this case, the ground floor offers 100 square meter size. Let's start with the main entrance. Imagine you come from outside from here, or if you park your car down, then you come from the garage. This is the first bedroom. It goes to the main road where we started filming the video. Straight here we have the second bedroom for the guests that has a private bathroom, so it's en suite, but this is not the main one. Of course, as I told, the builder is well known. They do a very good qualities. I cannot say nothing about the qualities. It's very good done, nice, modern and stylish. So then we have this bedroom for the guests, then this main bedroom. Well, we have this wardrobe here, dress area and bedroom. And following the bed here, what I like that it has also this nice view. When you wake up, you see the golf cart and you can go straight to the pool area in the morning to have a morning bath. So as I told, just exiting the main bedroom, we are here again. And yeah, the kitchen is also nice and stylish. It has this nice island. It has this modern extractor. The white goods AC machine is extra. It comes as extra, but the kitchen and the bedrooms comes everything as you see here on this show house. So once more, you need to get the furniture packet and the white goods with lighting. And now follow me and I will show you the basement, because you will be surprised. We have 115 square meter size there. And yeah, just follow me and check it out. So down here we have 115 square meter size basement, and we have space here to storage down the stairs. I don't know where to go now because we have so many things. So let's start with the straight with the with this big huge garage. Check it out. Yeah, this is the entrance from outside, and yeah, 1, 2, 3, up to 4 cars. You can put here up to 4 cars, and each villa will have this basement included in the price. Fantastic, very good. I was seeing many properties, and yeah, it's almost never seen this kind of big garage in one villa. This is aerothermy water boiler, modern. This is the stairs. Here we have the wash machine, very comfortable to wash the clothes. A big bedroom. Yeah, maybe for people that do diving or something, they can wash the stuff here. It's very comfortable. And by the end, we have this big room here. You can use it as a bedroom, you can use it as a cinema, you can use it as a gym. It offers a lot of space, actually. Yeah, and we have these wardrobes here on this side. So friends, and now I want to finish this video in the roof terrace. We have 70 square meters size roof terrace, open a view. You can see this place now. All around is building. We have a sport center here, very good for people that love sport. And we will make soon a video of the apartments that the same constructor is building here. And well, actually he has all sold on the opposite side. In the next video, we want to also share it with you because we really like this place and this project. Yes, each villa will have this nice view. It's fantastic to enjoy. You have a lot of space actually here in the roof terrace. You can put another pergola, summer kitchen, and enjoy and be high, seeing all these people playing golf, seeing all these mountains there from Murcia. Yeah, it's amazing. 650,000 for last villa, but don't worry, we have another 10 villas coming in the near future. So please contact us if you need more information about this project. I will kindly send you all the floor plans, a presentation, exposition, everything about this project, and kindly answer all your questions. Don't mind to contact me. You have my contact details here. I'm always available. I will always respond to you. And yeah, share this video with your family, your friends. Maybe somebody are looking for something like this. Maybe is a golf lover and want to be playing golf all days like these people here in Los Alcázares. Subscribe our channel, and yeah, I wish you all the best. See you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.